There are about 10,000 nerves in the lips, so the lips are more sensitive than the penis. Romantic kissing improves marital relations. By kissing each other's lips, you transfer about 80 million germs to your partner, which is more than the amount of germs in public toilets, and this is why couples have common germs and their bodies reach balance. Prolonged kissing activates 34 facial muscles, thus strengthening the facial muscles. Kissing releases the hormone testosterone and releases adrenaline, dopamine, serotonin and oxytocin. The benefits of kissing in a romantic relationship and sex. Protect teeth and prevent caries. It releases cortisol as a result of reducing stress. Kissing burns calories and reduces weight. Delay in the aging process. Kissing is a good exercise for the cardiovascular system and lungs. Kissing boosts self-confidence. Kissing releases endorphins and oxytocin, so you feel happy. Strengthens the immune system. Kissing lowers blood pressure. Relieves muscle cramps and headaches. Kissing lowers cholesterol and allergies in the body. Golden tips. Be sure to brush and floss before kissing each other's lips. Observe personal hygiene and use body deodorant. After kissing, do not go to sex immediately. Flirt well first. Kissing is the best love game before sex. When kissing your lover, caress him or her and use love phrases. Kissing and flirting can cure orgasmic disorders in women.